Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove phone number from Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove the phone number from our Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account on which you want to remove your phone number. And from this interface, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji or your profile icon. Tap on that, and again from here, tap on the settings at the top right corner of the screen. And over here guys, tap on the mobile number. From over here guys, you need to know a thing, that is you'll not be able to permanently remove your phone number and keep your Snapchat mobile number list, but you will be required to change your phone number, or you will be able to change your phone number. So in order to do that guys, first delete your previous phone number and enter your new phone number over here, and after that tap on the verify button at the bottom of the screen, and then a verification code will be sent to you on your phone number. Copy paste that verification code on this interface, and then your phone number will be changed. And with that being said guys, this is how to remove phone number from Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.